Hello there everyone, my name is Pritam Negi and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I will be talking with you about erase not displayed function. So basically what erase not displayed do, we will see with the help of an example. Now let's say for example, I want to create a new part and I have given that part name as a base. Now we want to create this part and as usual, we're gonna take center rectangle because we are just here talking about the functionality of this particular feature. We have defined uh, the density to calculate mass. Okay, let it be as it is. Now we close it. We also may save that part, and now again we want to create another part, and here we see the message base is in use and object fails. Now what we can do, we can't create the part with same name until and unless we close it. Now in order to avoid such situation, we need to perform erase not displayed. So basically what this function do, it clear our session because even though we have closed the part still exists in our session. So how are we going to clear our session? Just we need to click on erase not displayed and okay. Now let's refresh. Now no part exists. Now I can create the part with same name. Oops, it was base. And let's choose this template. Now you can see we can create the part with same name. Now another use case will be, let's say for example, you want to open a big assembly and now there might be possibility of another assembly or maybe the assembly of similar kind of family part gonna have same part of same name. For example, body is very common name and you want to open that assembly. Now what will happen in that case, you may see part of an assembly got assembled to another assembly because of this reason, because the uh, some part with name body already exists in session or in RAM, you can say. So after you work with a certain assembly, you can close that assembly and you need to perform erase not displayed so that your next assembly could load properly. The third use case scenario could be, let's say for example, you want to open a very huge assembly of let's say 1,000 part or maybe 100 part, but your system is not capable of handling that assembly. Now the another reason that your system may not handle it properly, because already there are bunch of parts are already being loaded that you have created before, and because they exist in our RAM, so the software is still handling those parts and your RAM is already engaged. What you can do is you can erase not displayed and you can clear the memory, clear your RAM so that your system allow you to load more and more parts. I hope guys I may able to explain the functionality and use of erase not display tool. If yes, then consider like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon with another great video on PTC Creo. And you can also check out our another video on another topic on my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.